At Raleigh SCORE, we receive numerous requests from mentees regarding the how-tos of government contracting. Starting May 26, we will have a 3-week series which will cover the information that our audience has been asking for. We will collaborate with local government contracting experts to deliver this information. The format will be such that our attendees will be able to understand the information and execute on their own once they complete the series. This is a fee-based series. The proceeds from this series will be used to fund grants for our business plan competition, which we hold in the fall in collaboration with Shaw University School of Business and Professional Studies. These grants will help our small business owners to fund their startups or anything they'd like to do in their business. So not only, if you attend this course, not only will you be contributing to your knowledge base, but you will also be helping business owners to fund their businesses if they win the competition. You may sign up for individual sessions, or you may sign up for the entire series and receive a discount. Finally, Dr. Angie Arrington and Bernie Salter will give us a preview of each session.
In session 1, Dr. Angie Arrington will explain the technical aspects of the North Carolina IPS Interactive Purchasing System, and Craig Gorman will highlight the various vendor certifications that are available to your business. This session will provide an instructional demonstration of an NC request for proposal. You don't want to miss this one.
In session 2, Bernie Salter will review government contracting. He will highlight the similarities that exist between federal and state government requests for proposals, and he will provide his experience with the federal government vendor selection process. Bernie will also review the federal government contracting RFP pricing structure. Please don't miss this opportunity to witness an insider's perspective of the federal government contracting process.
In session 3, Dr. Angie Arrington will review a completed vendor's response to the RFP request for proposal that was introduced in our first session 1.
Bernie Salter and I will provide a comprehensive question and answer segment to uncover additional information regarding the state and federal government contracting process.
You may sign up for individual sessions, or you can sign up for the entire series and receive a discount. The links are below. If you need additional information, please go to raleigh.score.org and click Take a Workshop.